What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I review my vocabulary for 15 minutes.
How do you practice your speaking skills?
I practice speaking by listening to English podcasts.
What do you do after breakfast?
I do my grammar exercises.
How long do you spend writing in your journal?
I spend 30 minutes writing in my English journal.
Why do you set goals?
I set goals to stay motivated and track my progress.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What do you do before bed?
I review what I learned and plan for the next day.
How often do you practice English?
I practice English every day.
Why is it important to practice English daily?
Practicing English daily helps me improve my skills and build confidence.
What is your favorite English activity?
My favorite English activity is listening to podcasts.
How do you stay motivated?
I stay motivated by rewarding myself when I reach my goals.
What do you do on weekends?
I review what I learned during the week and practice speaking with friends.
How do you practice listening?
I practice listening by watching English TV shows and movies.
What is your favorite English TV show?
My favorite English TV show is Friends.